I'll take care of it.
Hey, you alright? Sit up for me. What's your name, dear?
Jay.
Huh?
Jay.
Jay what?
Jaquisha.
Jaquisha?
Yeah. But J-E-R.
Uh-huh.
M-I-A-H. Johnson.
Jaquisha Jeremiah Johnson.
It's Jeremiah. Johnson.
$24.98.
Alright, a question.
Yes. Do you go by Jeremiah?
Jay.
Jay?
Question.
Yes.
Some question. Okay. I know I'm getting charged with fleeing.
Yes.
Reckless driving.
I don't know. That's the state police. I work for the sheriff's department. The arresting officer is the state. He'll be able to tell you on the way to the jail when you started. He'll be misdemeanors.
And that's how I'm getting charged with.
Here, I mean, you were suspected of something somewhere else. That's on them. That's not going to go through our agency.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, hold on, I got another question. Far as my phone and stuff,
Everything in the vehicle is going to stay with the vehicle.
Okay.
It's going to go to the impound yard. So whenever you get out, you can get it from there.
Alright.
Need y'all help in it.